Was up? This is Stevie Wonder, Captain speaking. Taking a ride to more Houdini stuff. In three, two, one. Hi. So, I actually did more Houdini stuff, and apparently I was able to make this. Okay. Bit of context. I was following a tutorial on how to make this type of act, and the tutorial I was watching was from Simon Houdini, which I will probably give a shout out right now. And this is basically the model, the video I watched. So I took it's an hour long, but this hour is pretty much worth it because he went into for modeling something like this. He actually makes a reference image. He taught more about the on the curve tools, and he talks about how to use these how to select these type of things, or use some of the toolbars and some of the hotkeys from it. And he's able to define the shape of this axe. And from there, once I got through here, I was like, okay, cool. I know how to make this type of axe, and I know how to and I can easily now know how to make this thing work. Looking at this now, I'm realizing this is not the updated version, because I remember it crashed before. So let me actually go back and open the crash version, because I've saved the stuff in the crash server, crash version instead of this. And I was able to make a high poly model and a low poly model, or actually, I was able to make a high poly model, which you can see right here. This one right here is the high poly, and I'll be sorry about it. I have no clue what's happening with the camera, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So this one here is the high poly model, and one after that. Let me move it out of the way. Oh, darn, I don't need you think. Just. And one right over here is. Okay, you have to do the transfer stuff? Alright. Right here is the low poly model. You can see you see the triangles, some of the details, all that kind of stuff. This is something he didn't share in the video, but it was something that I figured that I'll probably need to do, and I knew that with the stuff I was given, I could pretty much use these type of things, have them fused together, and make the layout. And I was able to come up with something like this, which I was able to actually take this into Substance Painter. Then after that, I was able to take it out into here, which when I first looked at it and first saw it, like, that looks way too cool. This is way too cool look for my first time. Of course, there's probably some more details I could probably do. Like, I think the axe sharp side should be like more of has some kind of scratch or some kind of detail that shows where the sharp part is, because right now it feels like it's all metal. And I think I could probably just do a little more detail. And gotta figure out about these artifacts here. But all in all, it looks pretty decent for my first time. So I was pretty pumped about being able to make something like this. So I figure I know I have I'm going to do Houdini on today. I'm also going to do Houdini on Thursday. Hopefully during that week I should be able to be able to prepare for Friday for the spot different screen. But either way, this is what I made. Decided to do it, and I say I want to make more of it. This time I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try and make I'm gonna try and make something I've been wanting to make for a while. Matter of fact, let me close down the thing I don't need now, and let me actually take this out to something I've been eyeing on and been seeing this for a while. I've not seen this. Something I've been eyeing on, but something I've been thinking about and wanting to make for a very, very, very long time. And this is like something that it came from Quicksilver when they first were showing Unreal. This is like 5 years ago. Oh my, holy crap! 5 years ago, they actually this actually looked all cool. No, okay. So what I want to actually try to make is this certain mega structure here. I saw this a while back, and when they first say this mega structure was made in Houdini, and I was like, wow, how can I make something like that myself? And I never got back into it, or got to it until today. Because I want to make something like this. Because I now want to make something like this in Houdini. So we can pretty much go. This is actually that's the thumbnail I used for the previous Houdini stream. I haven't really done anything something like that. It's more like just me messing around in Houdini. So it's something we're having with the thumbnails, where I suddenly make this and I suddenly switch one thumbnail with the other thumbnail and have flip together. It's because I actually decided to do this now. But other than that, I want to try and make something like this in Houdini this time, because I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, and I want to figure out how to approach that. And I think I have the knowledge and I think the know-how to actually try. So I want to go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with a new. I'm gonna go ahead and save the new. Alright, sure. It's not super crazy. And for something I'm seeing like this, I think I want to start off with just a box. And it's just a box. I'll call this I'll just call this thing called a mixed structure. Okay. I know this is small, and I'm pretty much staring at this. I want to try and make this a little bigger. I'll make this 10. And let's see. I know for sure that I could pretty much create a couple more boxes, and maybe have them merged. So I think I want to go ahead and play around with the shape. So let me go and start with became one box and another, and I want to change the scale for each of it. That's gonna be for one box. And for the other, I think I want to just make this long. And if I select these two, I'm going to go just end up merging. I'll just go merge these together. Let me actually play around. And actually scale the box a bit. Oh. Okay. Next, I want to try, in my mind, I want to do a Boolean. And however, right now I'm just thinking about how I want to be able to cut this up, and how can I approach this. Let's see. I want to see what geometry I have that I can use. There's like, I know there's a tube, I know there's a grid I could use where if I could shift it around and then extrude it out and then give it a certain shape. I think that could work. No, wait. I think I have a certain idea. I think I have an idea. I have an idea. Real quick. I'll make this 2 by 2. Move this around, move this around. And okay, my idea here is, well, I'll go and start with front. And my idea is to create, let's see. It's to create, I'm thinking 5 points. And then moving these points around. No. Not these points. Curve. And okay. And the idea here is to let me actually stick this out a little bit more out here. And the idea here is to have extrude one do a poly extrude, and let's see what happens if I did that. Yeah, we'll get something like this. Cool. That's something I'm definitely thinking about. Of course, I can't. Of course, you don't see it, but we see it. But once we did it here, we can now see exactly how I want this done. All right. Okay, now the next part I want to try to do is extrude again. I'm gonna go extrude out here. With a output back. There we go. And if I look at these two right now, we'll definitely get something here. But real quick, I want to try to pull this up, and for this one I want this to pull a bit more higher than that. Okay, once that's done, let me try, we'll go ahead and do extrusion from here, and this is how this is like one of the main shapes I was thinking about from this. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me pull null real quick. Null's not gonna do anything super special. It's just like something I want to make sure to have. Although I need to make sure that this is about as far apart as it can. I'll give it 100. Okay. Couple of things I also want to try and do for this is I want to try to remember exactly how to a point split. It just gives makes each point its own thing. And if I remember it from my previous stream, if I did permanent properties to the translation and then scale it down, I'll get something like this for all the faces. Right now I don't think I want to try that, although I want to be able to break some of these spaces down. So I think, what if I extrude? And I say do it onset. Well, basically get an onset of all of it. Now I'm thinking about it, I think I wouldn't do that. No. I would have to do that if I want to get at least all the if I want to get all the faces like this. Which I think I should be able to get. I'm able to get the. Make sure I get the extrude from the front and side. Right now I'm looking at this, and this is starting to look pretty cool right now. However, from the art, from the faces I want to get the extrude front, I want to see what are ways I could do, like break it apart, and I don't. Yeah, I'm pretty much just thinking right now about that lot. Wait, what the heck? City lab? No, lab. Let's try lab first. for a moment, right? For a moment. I mean, I tried lab before on the previous stream, with that grenade thing. It didn't went anywhere. It didn't went anywhere. I know I want to try something similar with this. Actually, I'm able to do a connect. Be able to connect the group. Be able to connect the group with something different. Not with this one. Let me. Ugh. How about if I? Ugh. That's what happens when I cluster. Let's try some. Let me get. Maybe blast extrude side and actually use this to get the different shapes. Get the different shapes from it, and I can probably. Yeah, this is looking very weird. Let's not use cluster from on that way. And do I really want to make iterations? Longest edge, bounding box. What? Bounding box? Okay. From here, I want to try to get a random feed. Let me do. Let's see, random. Let me do an attribute random, and I want to. Do it on primitive. And I want a different. I want these primitives to be different on. Wait, constant value. Not random. Nah, not that way. Two values. A, B, that's probably gonna have to do for it now. I don't want color though. I do want it to be. I do want this to be different. Actually, no. What if I do? I'm trying to forget the name. I'm trying to forget. Measure. Is it measure? I think it's called measure. This will give me the area. And I want to get all the areas that are larger. If I look into here, and if I go into my spreadsheet, this should be under primitive. So if I go in my area, I'll get size that are they're pretty much big. So if for example, if like let's see, there are things that we like, there are 7, 15, 33. That's the whole area. I want to. I want it to find an area that's about either 10 or higher. Okay. So now if I did like a group, it's a particular group. I think it's not group expression. Might be group expression. And expression is at area greater than 10. That's probably not it. Yeah, that's probably not it. Oh wait, that works. I think that's it. And this is gonna be the panel. Wait. Let's see, and let's see if I give a color. And I want to try to get a random color between improving this in the random for attribute and looking for just these are attributes actually. No. We're looking just group as our panel space. And these are panels that are greater than 10. Okay. All right, how about 5? Okay. What if I change it to 2? That means okay. I think that means okay. Looking at this, I think it makes no difference. Well, probably makes a big difference if I change it to 5. Oh wait, lesser than. Hold on a second. Greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 10. There we go. That's what I wanted. I was wondering what was going on. Okay. So at least I know which panel is going to be. It's going to have this, and some are. Which one's not going to have that? Okay. Okay, so we got that down. What else I'm thinking? And we'll go and split the point. And I want this, not just guess the group, just give me the primitives. Put the points from, what the heck? I'm pretty sure the group still exists. Okay. Okay, so we got that taken care of. So next one, I want to do a blast on panel space. This just gets rid of the. This just gets rid of the rest of the stats that are not. This just gets rid of panels that are now not in that are in the group. Okay. Okay, I think, let's see. I want the small panels to have like little panels itself. So I'll do another lot. Do another lot for this one, and I don't want to have it. I don't want to go crazier than what it has. And let's see if I'm actually trying to remember exactly. Not only I saw the video, I also saw a I say somewhat tutorial of. I won't call it a tutorial. I would probably more of a talk on how they were able to make how they were able to process of doing the world, some of the world building, some of the malls, that sort of thing. Not good word, but okay. Okay, now I have an idea. Um, real quick, what happened if I extrude? Okay, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Wait. Nothing? Really? Connected. Individuals. Point. Primitive. Look, I know we have the. I know we have these. I have this lasted, but we should at least actually be able to do another set of inset bit. Okay, we're able to extrude. Oh, okay, we can see we extrude. But we can't really do it inset anymore. Let's see, what else we have? Hinge. Okay, how about bevel? Okay, maybe not exactly be able to bevel. Alright then. Alright, let's okay, let's flip that around then. I think we're able to do a for each for as for the. Oh, there's only one. What we did the not blast, but a flip point again. Over here. We should get no. No, yes, we can. All right, cool. We'll have each piece for 146. Okay. Hmm. That's something I want to try to do. I don't think so. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, maybe not that. Maybe not that way. Let me do this. We do a point split first, then do a do it for each primitive. And then do slice by. Okay, looking at this and thinking about this, that might not be the way I'm thinking about, but this is definitely taking a bit of time to get this handled. Because the rest of it is like it's pretty small. It's pretty small. Because not only that, we're actually going over 148 pieces of this thing. I don't think that's what I was thinking of. Alright, let's try not that. I don't know. Do that and just put that out. Okay. Okay, dissolve and blast are kind of the same thing. Okay, it's just not, again, not what I'm thinking about again. Nope. Let's see. Oh, now you. Oh, now you do it. First of all, thanks. That's actually what I'm thinking of. And I think we should have the right. A good amount, not like should be allowed, not too much of them, I think. All right. Okay, we're not gaining the primitives. Okay. It might be because I'm making a guess. It's because they're not they're all in one primitive and not in separate primitives. So if I were to do that, just split points again. I should have, yeah, that main primitive. At least I think that's the goal here. Okay, I want to group them. Make a front panel. We're going to do by direction. It's basically just getting all the front panels here, and if I okay, that's not actually gonna go blast. Those are not front panel. What happened to this? Okay, we'll have our separate pieces, I think. I'll revert to default. There we go. Okay. Any mercies, and let me see what we have. Okay. Okay. This is something I'm actually this is actually something I was also trying to think about and try and get going. So that's okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, cool. Um I'm gonna do a group. I'm going to grab a flow selection by doing by normals, and we're going to set that to 0. Set the we're going to actually transform and actually move it down. Move the low section. Down. Now we can merge. Of course, looking at it right now, it's like, that's not what I'm looking for. That's not exactly what I'm looking for, but I can knock that out. All right, cool. Okay. We got the panels. We got what we want. What I wanted to do for a while. It's just now. Just comes to like, okay, now what? I'm kind of curious. What do we have? Does it have any groups that I can actually grab and use? I don't think it does. I think since I have these selected, I could poly extrude. I could extrude backwards. Reverse. Bring this back. And Boolean. Then merge. There we go. Now looks Now it kind of looks like the panels are in there for some reason. Wait. We're gonna get rid of this. There we go. Let's see. Oh, okay. Should probably come up like this instead of like walls come up. Will also come up, but I think actually get rid of this transform. The only reason I had that transform is just like I can stick it, want to try to stick it out a bit more. Okay, I'm kind of now looking at this like there needs to be something here. There needs to be something behind the rest of the panel. Otherwise, it feels like there's actually nothing. There's actually nothing behind there. Actually, hold on a second. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about grabbing the front rims again. For one reason I like one reason I like the front rims a lot. I want to try to primitive, negative. There we go. Just that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Last are not truck panels. Try that again. This time make it more clean. Okay. Okay, so we have some areas there that looks very cool. Question is now is what happened to you? It had those red parts, but it went away. If I delete y'all, is that still in that group? Kind of looks like it does. Okay. What if... Not what if, I want to try also get the bomb ones as well. This is kind of strange. This is very strange here. Oh, I got it wrong. It's not V, it's Y. Negative Y. There we go. If I did this, there we go. Actually, hold on a second. I don't need the flip points at all. Okay. I don't know what I want to do with bomb prims here. I want to try. Well, I'm going to try do some with it. Let's see. I'm actually curious about this. About this here. Let's make this. A field chance to delete, I think. Okay, what happened here? Okay, that's looking. Oh, okay, that's looking a bit cooler. Although I'm kind of the wirings here, it looks like a bit more spaghetti stuff. I like to organize my things a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so far things are looking pretty cool here and there. Like I said, I'm pretty much saying it's looking pretty cool, but I'm kind of looking at this and saying, I feel like I'm doing. Oh wait. Feels like I'm doing detail stuff here. So if it's the case, let me go back to this null real quick and just actually name this basic shape. And the next the one right here, load that is just details. The reason I named the reason I will name these because I want to try to organize these a bit more, so we know which where the shapes are coming from, where the details are coming from. The panels are basically the details here, and as where the shapes are, it's just a box that has been boolean. That's basically it. Let's see. Well, what I'm thinking about, I want some way to. I'll describe this. I want to be able to select, have a front, have something like a front face like this. Glass. Non-select front face, and I want to extrude. Point 3. I want to make sure the back is taken care of, and then I want to do a copy and transform, where I just move piece of it back in for about 5, merge them together. If I can even pull these out. We do transform. Let me actually move this back out a little bit and scale scale down a little bit. And I think I want to go back to copy again and just pull it back a bit more. Hello. That's totally unintentional on with cell space. I don't want them actually selected. Okay. Front perimeters, it's selected whole front. I don't want that. That's not how we go. How we do this? We will probably want to we already got a name with it. It's called front shape. Does that? No, it does not do what I think it was going to do. Maybe I can separate them and actually put this in and different null. I'll call it basic shape support. That's exactly what I want to do. Okay. Go ahead and remove that. And let me go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay. Okay, so I'm looking at some thoughts. Even thinking, doing the thoughts. Trying to see. I'm trying to think what are cool things I want here. And one thing I actually thought of just recently. If I did this, and did transform. Rotate this about 4 degrees upward. Okay, you should have this selected. Yes. We have this selected. Yes. We transform up. We should have. We should also have the. These faces selected as well. I think it's because, yeah. Okay, I don't think I need to transform panels anymore. We are going to need to transform just the front trims. Okay, those faces are not front trims anymore, I guess. Okay. We should have these. No. Don't. Okay, what the? No. Oh. There we go. That's strange. worked on one side, but if we continue to work on the other side, I think I need to at least pull this one up a little more. I think. Oh, hold on. Transform. That didn't work. Okay, if I can only gain the face. We'll go and do it just extrude again, only for the back. There we go. It's just that we can tie up any loose ends. Same for this. That should be it. Wait. Maybe. Read it back. So This should. I'm so confused here. Sorry, I'm kind of just debugging the issue. That's non-manifold edges solid bead. Okay, what does that mean? Okay. think I'll deal with that later on. Or not. We'll just like I'll just take maybe take that off. Okay. Hey, wait a second. Last year and there's a I did boolean here, did section here. Okay, we'll still have that issue. Alright, I think I'll ignore that for right now. I am kind of pretty spent on that. What else I want? I have this facing up, and I want to actually put some points on the bottom. So I think I have the bomb prim already selected. So what I'm thinking of is scatter from the bomb prim. Is do a force count of about 20. Do a copy the point. And I want to do not poll. It's bar geometry. It's bar polygons. It's no, it's bar from this 2. I want to do a match size. What's that, maximum? And if I change the height down to about downward to about 50. Immerse the two. I get something like this. I think the point for that is just I want to add some. I just want to add some strange points onto it. Actually, no. Excuse me. I want to add pillars into the onto the structure. But so far, like we got points that are at the edge where you can see the parts of the pillar itself. I don't think that's exactly what I want, which is it, but it's just pretty much showing out certain ideas from it. Maybe we can come back to the scatter and I can finish to think about what else I could do. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe not with scatter. Maybe not with the. Excuse me. Okay, I do have a shape that I want to go work with, and I want to try something. Okay. Maybe, maybe not. Hmm. Okay. Actually, hold on a second. I mean, I do have this box, and I think I also want to. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me step back to where it was before. Let me actually get the sci-fi panels for. This. I think it's this way, and then this. Yes, I think. Okay, that's okay. And then we grab the panel like this. We add, yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm trying to do it's a track the bomb, but I'm getting something weird behind us. Not what I want. Not only that, when I delete the bomb, it also when I boolean the bomb, it also booleans the whole bomb, which is also what I not want. I'm starting by doing this and then doing this, I should be able to now both of them are getting deleted. That's literally not what I want. Okay. Let's solve this. No? No. Okay, this is feeling a little. Awkward. Because it was cause this was the front, and this is exactly what I want. But when I try to do the bomb, I'm not getting exactly the ones I want to try to delete. That one is kind of really bugging the heck out of me. Because I really don't want the hole. But for now, I think I'll deal with it for now. That's gonna be it. That's probably gonna be tomorrow for me to think. Tomorrow for me to think about. Right now, I just want to see what else can I do. I can already think about UV mapping. The ears, because I wanted the panels on the front and on the bottom. I didn't really care about the side though. I'm also kind of thinking about adding some type of say some type of some type of just something here. I think the only thing I think about right now might be is the like something like this. If they transform and rotate it about. About 35. I don't really know here. But the pounds are pretty cool. It's just I'm staring at this. I'm like, okay. What are cool stuff I can add? I remember I'm also looking at on my other screens about the world building. They also add some like pillars and antennas on top of it. So I'm thinking about that as well. Yeah, let's you know what? Let's go away a shot. And there's also like for the side they also have they like some kind of pillar and antennas on it to give it some kind of sci-fi detail on it. I want to give that a shot. I think the way I'll do this is I think I have front, bottoms, and let me get let me try to get sides. Forgot union. Now we have both of them. Cool. And if I do a scatter on side prims, I should just get points that are focused on the left and right. Okay. Okay, cool. They still exist. Actually go ahead and get mesh. No. Let me get a box. We're going to scale one of them up by 20. We'll set the rest. We'll set the rest to like 0.3 right now. I also want to get another box. I want to set this set it to about 2. No, 2 on the x-axis, not the z. Let's have merge. Let's do a copy and transform. This is about 4. And let's kind of scale down and then match size. Okay. Also do a mesh size for this one as well. That should be it for. I think that should be it. Now, if I were to copy the point, not worry about the orientation. Merge. I guess something like this. And looking at this, like, Okay. Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere. I think a little bit. Maybe not. Ooh. And let's see. I feel weird about this. And let me tell you why I feel weird about it. It's like we had the one on one side. We got the points that look like this on one side, but the other side looks. Yeah, I feel a bit weird about how it looks like right now. I think it's I was thinking about it right now. I could probably change the size, change this to not side, but this one for left side, primitive, and set the other one to right side. And instead of using these, I'll use no. One on the right side, and if I flip this over. If I lowered this about 20, no, let's lower down to 10. Okay. We'll definitely get this, but like I don't know how to feel about it. Like it's like it pretty much feels like a low budget a low budget sci-fi that tried to make a 3D mall 3D mall mega structure. I really need to try practice this a bit more, but I'm definitely learning bit by bit by just learning Houdini. So far the structure, if it's missing something. It's like this feels like a college course sci-fi, but for this it feels like I'm missing. I'm missing some parts of the structure of this model, and I think I need to come look at this and go look for more references, look at more detail. We'll see what other people have done, and try to go from there. But right now, it's like it's not exactly there. It's like I have like I built a bunch of stuff together, and it's not coming together at the moment. So yeah, I think yeah. So even though I'm pretty much making it, I think I want to go ahead and stop for right now and look at our references just to go with. And I think for the next stream, I think I need to think how I want to approach modeling from stream standpoint. But right now it's like and I mean it's supposed to be more game dev stuff. This is more of a loose do whatever type of thing, and just try to discover some tools from modeling or from the game engine itself. But yeah, I think I'll go ahead and stop right here and continue on later on. But for those who watched me, thank you for coming by, thank you for stopping by and watching me do this. I'm JV Wonder. I do game dev stuff. If you like the stream, follow me on Twitch or subscribe to me on YouTube. And for that, thank you for coming by, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.